Hi, welcome to my kitchen. We're taking an easy night tonight. I've got a frozen pizza, and I'm not a connoisseur of frozen pizzas at all. In fact, I would love to know which brand you recommend. We're gonna make this one tonight, and I'm gonna do it in the new Deluxe air fryer and oven. The air fryer and oven is a unique way to cook your pizza. You're just gonna push the button, and it says, let's get cooking. Now, there's a top and a bottom. We're gonna use the top today. I'm going to, first I'm gonna remove the little sheet pan that comes with it, since I'm not gonna need it today. And we're going to hit the top button here, and we're gonna use the pizza feature. So just turn the dial until pizza lights up, press the start button, and it defaults to 11 minutes. I'm gonna go with that. A frozen pizza will take 11 to 12 minutes. And now we're preheating. While the oven is preheating, we're gonna go ahead and put it on here. This is the new metal pizza tray. It is perfect for doing a frozen pizza. With the holes, it keeps all the air circulating. I'm gonna do it with the lip side up. So it's simple. Your kids could totally do this. So just set it on here. We're gonna make sure there's no cardboard under there. That wouldn't be very good, right? So your air fryer can handle a 12-inch pizza. Let's go ahead and pop it in. Okay, take a look. It's preheated. It took about 3 minutes to preheat. Now it says add food. So we're simply going to slip this in, push it all the way in. And once you close the door, you're gonna hit this button and the cooking process starts. These oven gloves are a must with the air fryer. And if you think about it, you're gonna put your hand on there, you're gonna think, oh my gosh, that's never gonna fit. You wanna put them on like mitts and make sure that that cuff goes up high on your arm, and then you're gonna have a nice grip. They have protections even in the center here, and you have a really good grip on anything. If you're pulling it out of the oven, the microwave, or even the toaster oven. Let's go check on our pizza. In the last minute of your cooking cycle, the light comes on and it lets you check to see how your food is doing. So let's take a look. This was after 11 minutes. When you're opening the door, there's a little button here to release. So you might need to just hold the bar, push it in slightly, and pull the button back. That's a safety mechanism to make sure that it opens when you want it to. And let's take a look at our pizza. Looks good to me. I'm gonna put it in for another minute just to get it even a little more brown and toasted, but it's totally up to you. So I'm gonna show you how to adjust the time if you wanna add another minute. So right now it says hot, so it's off. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the top button because I'm using the top oven. I'm gonna turn the dial again to pizza, push the button in, and it defaults to that 11 minutes, but I'm gonna hit this little clock button here to reduce the time to just 1 minute. It's already heated, so I'll push the button again to bypass it, and there it goes. All right, that extra minute is up. Let's pull it out. There we go. And because I've got the lip on there, it's easy to slide right out. So how do you like to slice your pizza? You can use a pizza cutter, and if you want to do that, you're definitely going to want to slide this off onto a stone or a cutting board. But this is a non-stick pan, so you can't use a metal cutter on there. So we've got pizza scissors. These are new this season. Keep these little locks, this little plastic guard, it helps keep them together because they do come apart for easy cleanup. So I don't know if you've ever tried cutting your pizza, but you're gonna love this. See this bottom part? It won't hurt your non-stick pans. You can use it on your stones too. And you simply slip it through and cut, just like that. I love it. I have cut pizza with scissors for many, many years, but this actually is made for it, so it totally works. So I hope you'll give this a try. I am so impressed with the pizza setting on the air fryer and oven. I know you'll love it too. So just imagine if you are having, your kids are having a sleepover or a birthday party, you can whip up a bunch of these, cut them into squares or wedges, and everybody is gonna be so excited. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to hear your favorite pizza brands so I can try all different kinds in my new air fryer.